I'm Andy Philbrick. We operate as a non-life insurance company, primarily in the London and Lloyd's insurance markets, but we do operate worldwide as well. And I look after the tech, so I'm head of IT for that company. We acquired a company that was already using Concur, so it was a small outfit out in the US that we bought. The folks out there were very happy with Concur, so we took a look at that and evaluated it and thought, yeah, that'll be a good solution for the group. So we decided to implement that solution group-wide. We broke it down by individual companies within the group. So we had some small entities that we used as guinea pigs, if you like, just to make sure we got the rollout right. It wasn't a big team that we had working on it, just a handful of people along with Concur helping us do that. And because it was bite-sized chunks, you know, we just went through the group like that until we had it all complete. Yeah, so it went pretty well for us, pretty smoothly. You just got to identify, those folks that are potentially going to be resistant to it, and help them along with the journey to get adoption. You know, if they're resistant, focusing on the specifics about what it is that they're finding a challenge, and just helping them along that. We did a lot of training sessions. We made use of the materials that SAP Concur provides, the self-learning stuff that's available on the web, which was very helpful. Most people use the mobile app for their expenses. People just don't think about it anymore. You know, they just do it. You know, it's not as if they've got a pile of receipts to go through at the end of the month, get that into finance, and then finance are getting hit by a big pile of paper to go through. So the whole process is a lot more efficient now. You know, there's less errors. People get paid quicker. You know, the reimbursement comes through a lot quicker. And there's visibility both for the users and the managers as well. You know, there's a lot of data being captured as well within the system, so we can make use of that through reporting and the information we get there. It's just miles better than what it was before. Employee experience as well, and if you're bringing new folks into the organisation, they look at the processes and procedures you've got, and if you're presenting them with something that's very clunky and manual, you know, there might be some resistance to that, and you've got potentially a problem with retention. You know, the younger folks coming along, they expect a certain level of technology to be there to help them. They're all used to using mobile apps, so the adoption with those folks is, you know, very, very easy. One thing that brought home the benefit to me was having lunch with the CFO, and so she had the mobile app. We had lunch. She paid for lunch, which is a good thing. Got the receipt, captured that receipt using Concur. Done. Yeah. Rather than, you know, she would have had to take that receipt, attach it to the clip of other receipts she's got in her purse or whatever, and then submit that at the end of the month. Yeah. Whereas, that was a real life, use case there and then. Done. Got it.